I've made the decision to become a Pure Romance consultant. I went to pureromance.com and now I'm going to select Join. Because I'm in the US, I'm going to go ahead and select Become a US Consultant. So here you're going to see my 3 kit options. So we've got the standard kit, the deluxe kit, and the premium. I decided that I want to have inventory on hand at my first party, so I'm going to select premium kit. This is going to take me to the shopping bag. So I've got everything here, making sure that everything is correct and current. If this is not your consultant, don't worry, you'll be able to change that later. But the kit is correct, so I'm going to proceed to checkout. If you've not already created an account, you're going to want to do so now. So go ahead and create your account. Here's the page to sign up for your new account. I'm going to enter in all of the information, and then once it's all filled out, I'm going to register. So if this is not the consultant that you have that you want to be your sponsor, you can go ahead and search for a consultant by postal code or search first and last name. Jane is my consultant, so I'm going to go ahead and keep my consultant. So it'll take you to the shipping page. So you're going to enter in a shipping address. Remember that we're unable to ship to a PO box. There's only one option to select when you're purchasing a kit. So this is going to be your $19.95 ground shipping. So I've made sure that everything is correct in my shopping cart. My consultant is correct. Now I'm going to add my payment. So my payment is entered. Now I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions of a Pure Romance consultant. And then go ahead and place the order. Great, I've got my confirmation. So it'll allow you to redirect to login. If you haven't received your consultant ID number by email, you can log in with your email address.